Hi everyone, it's Kate here from Second Verse Paper Studio. Just wanted to do a quick flip through of one of my new infinity journals that are available in my shop. First of all, excuse the background noise. We had a Christmas Day blizzard and the neighbors are digging out. So that may be coming and going here. We'll hope it doesn't get too distracting for everyone. This is my Drawing from Nature infinity journal. And I'm so excited about this style of journal because I get a lot of my supplies secondhand, and a lot of times I'll wind up with books with no spine, just destroyed. And yeah, there are ways to replace the spines, but I actually had a lot of fun creating the infinity style journal, which, depending on your point of view, has no spine or 5 separate spines. So let's go ahead and do a quick flip through. This journal is full of pockets and tucks and flip out spots. I had a lot of fun kind of breaking up the lines of a normal book. Used some of my tea-dyed paper in here. Wallpaper sample. Ooh, this stuff. This is my eco-dyed paper. There's a lot of it in this journal. It was one of the inspirations. And I just love the texture of it, the way it came out. So I was aiming for kind of a grungy artist's journal here. Just any little bit of inspiration all kind of gathered up like a magpie nest. Really like this one. Folds out forever. Lots of space to write in. More of my tea-dyed paper. Lots of pockets. More of that note paper. I don't know if you can see on camera the texture of this stuff. So pretty. I'm working on the logistics of doing some digitals of my eco-dyed papers, but that may be a little while coming yet. More of that note paper. Double pocket here. More of my eco-dyed. I've kind of got a sunflower theme going in this book too, which is kind of fun. Big old die cut. Some Audubon pieces. The bug page was a gift, a book from my mother, a science teacher, and she laughed when she found out I glued a page of it in here, but I just love the color. More eco print. This, one of my tea dyeing experiments, I got instant tea instead of the real stuff, and it just left this funky grainy texture. Happy accident, I think. Postcard. Oh, here's some of my tea-dyed paper. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's really faint, but I've got florals instead of that stained glass kind of vibe. Book page fold out. Envelope pockets. I love doing the envelope pockets because it doesn't interfere with your writing space. This is one of my favorite pages of this. It looks like a fossil, and the texture is so much fun just to touch. Now for my favorite part of the infinity journal. We get to the end, and we keep on going. Little journaling card, or my eco-dyed paper. book page. More sunflowers. Lots of tags in this side. I know, it's just fun to have little bits and pieces to pull out, isn't it? A few more tags, more Audubon stuff. Another one of those awesome eco-dyed pages. I had too much iron in this batch and it got really dark, but it still just makes me happy. In fact, this is one of my favorite spreads with this nice, strong oak leaf on it. And then the flower drawing. I made a double pocket here out of book pages. Some washi on there. Some old art. Another envelope pocket. This one is with an ad for a drawing school, mail order drawing school. Put that away later. And one last pocket. And we're back to the beginning.